Ready?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Oh! Now, Ollie, we're pulling out the knife right now because the rebarb's not hot enough yet, but the knife is lovely.
Oh wow, yeah, I saw that glow.
It disappears, but it is there still.
Oh my, it set the wood on fire. Go. Yeah.
Wait till I get a good grip on it.
Ready?
Effortless.
Turn it over, turn it over.
Good. Good enough.
No, that looks good, that looks good. How's it look from the edge?
That's flat.
That's pretty
If we
straight.
compare that to the other one.
Nice.
Yeah.
So,
I'm
gonna put this
put
in
it back in, get a bucket of water, and then we'll
quench
pull it.
it.
Yeah.
If you use water, it will crack the metal.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because it stresses it. Like if you put a hot cast iron pan directly into the cold sink.
Yeah. So, what?
Oh yeah. Stop.
Turn it 90 degrees.
I'm
Yeah.
making a point.
Yeah, make a point.
Use more time.
Right.
Put it back in.
Good stuff.
Dig it as deep as you can. I'm going to put a lot more wood in.
Spicy.